Hey, hi everyone. This is Carlos again. Today we're gonna be doing the windows for the trailer. Kind of cloudy day. We're gonna add the windows on this side of the trailer. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be the process. As a frame for the windows, I'm gonna use this one like a template just to draw the hole that we're gonna need. Alright, already have 4 holes. The template looks really good. So now I'm gonna start using the saw. Alright, that was a kinda noisy a lot, so I recommend it to use earplugs before you start doing the job, alright? We're gonna be adding this tacky tape to the border of the windows. Later on, I'm gonna be putting here black silicone just to seal completely this border of the windows. But for right now, looks really good. Now it's the time to install the second windows for the trailer. But this window is gonna go right here. So I'm gonna reuse the template that I already have for the first window. Let's measure the windows. It's gonna go like this. All right, next step, tacky tape. The last windows for the trailer will be a access door or storage door. It's gonna go right here. But before installing this access door, I have to level the inside floor with the outside door. So let's do that. All right, the inside floor is gonna finish around this area here. Pretty much right there. In the outside, the hole is here. So the access door will start from there. Exactly like the windows, we're gonna add tacky tape just to seal the border of the door. Quick explanation here. This access door is different than the windows. This one doesn't have a frame on the back to tie the actual door. So what I'm gonna use for this one, it's rivets. And I'm gonna open a couple holes here and I'm gonna put the rivets just to tie the actual door to the trailer.